Hello students, this is Usha, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn about present tense. This is chapter 10 in your book. Present tense, chapter 10 in your book. Present tense. Present tense. It is used to describe an action or situation that is happening at the moment. It is used to describe the action that is happening at the moment. Use the present tense for the following cases: to express repeated or regular action in the present time period. Example: I take the train to the office. Rose likes to dance. We use present tense to express facts. We use present tense to express facts. He writes for the school magazine. There are 7 days in a week. Like the facts, we are using present tense. We use present tense for describing habits. I get up early every day. I go for a walk daily. We use present tense for things that are always or generally true. Always true. Example: it rains a lot in spring. The sun sets in the west. Universal facts. Types of present tense: simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Next one, simple present progressive tense or present continuous tense. Next, present perfect tense. Another one, present perfect progressive or continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. First we learn about simple present tense. We use simple present tense to describe facts and habits. Example: the moon gets its light from sun. The star shines at night. It's a universal truth. We use simple present tense to describe scheduled events in the future, that is planned or scheduled events. The train leaves at 5 o'clock. My school starts at 9 a.m. That is scheduled. Next, to tell stories to make your listener or reader feel more engaged with the story, we use present tense. Example: on a spring morning, Jack goes for a walk in the garden and sees beautiful flowers blooming with vibrant colors and fragrance there. On a spring morning, Jack goes. Present tense we are using in the story to live the story. Rule for forming a sentence in a simple present tense: subject, first form of verb, plus yes or es plus object. First, Riya writes a letter. Here, Riya is a subject, write is a first form of verb, yes or es. Based on subject, we write yes, writes. Object, a letter. Here, subject is singular, that's why we writes. We joined s in the verb. Second one, birds fly in the air. Bird subject, fly first form of verb, air object. Here we are not using s or es because subject is plural. That's why we write fly. Air is object. Next, present progressive tense or present continuous tense. Present progressive tense is used for an ongoing action in the present. Continuous tense are using for ongoing actions. I am going. The action of going is still in progress. Then Harry is looking for the last train. Looking for. That is still going on. The action is still going on. I am praying in the church. Praying implies that the prayer is still going on the church. That action is not end. Are playing. Playing expresses that the action at play is still in progress. How we form the rule for forming present continuous tense, that is present progressive tense. Subject is, am, or helping verb, that is based on subject it is. First form of verb plus ing plus object. Riya is writing a letter. Here Riya is subject, is be for or helping verb. Be verb or helping verb. Write first form of verb. Ing for progressive tense. Letter object. Based on subject. Subject is singular, that's why we are using is. Letter is object. The girls are swimming in the lake. In that, the girls are subject, are helping verb, swim first form of verb, ing for progressive tense, lake object. Here based on subject we are using the helping verb are. I hope all are understand the session well. Thank you. Have a nice day.